Okay, let's cover in 5 minutes as many letters as we easily can. So first, here is a group of 3 letters with same shape. It's a group of 3 letters. Here is okay, first letter ba. This is ba. Ba. It's a B sound letter with like how. Okay, let's see this one again. Ta and tha. It's tha. Okay, S sound. So ba, B sound, ta, T, and tha is S sound. Fine. Let's say again. Ba. Okay, ba is inner wet part of lips. Alright. Which part again? Inner wet part. Ta is tip tongue and gums of upper front 2 teeth. Tip tongue, gums of upper front 2 teeth. Fine. Ta, T sound is tip tongue letter. Plus which part? Gums of upper front 2 teeth is ta. Fine, not teeth, remember. Okay, then ta. Somewhere it's mentioned as th sound, tha, something like that, but it's actually S sound letter. Fine, tha, but not gums this time. Tip tongue with roots of teeth, tha. There is another place which is usually tha is pronounced from, that is tip tongue, edges of teeth, but in that case you have to bring tip tongue out of mouth. Tha. Tip tongue, it has to be brought out of mouth and then put on edges of upper front 2 teeth. But I personally do not feel it easy. It's kind of uneasy because in this case, in order to bring your tip tongue out of mouth, you have to put some extra effort, which I personally uncomfort with. So here is, let's do another way, that is tip tongue, roots of upper front 2 teeth, because in that case you don't have to bring your tip tongue out of mouth, which like bringing tip tongue out of mouth is kind of intrusive activity. Yeah, so avoiding that, you can just do tip tongue, roots of upper front 2 teeth, tha. Fine. Yeah, S sound, but remember there is one additional point in that it's not sa with whistle. You have to make sure that no whistle sound is in this letter at all, because even if a little whistle sound is created, then it like this letter will turn into scene. So remember, no whistle. Sa. Fine. Sa. So let's see once again. No, wait. Okay, ba ta sa. Now we see their sounds. Ba is B sound. This time let me write in small, small size. Later I will write the upcoming letters in big size, inshallah. Okay, so here T, and then we have S, B, T, S, ba ta tha. Okay, ba, B sound, ba, inner wet part of lips, inner wet part, not dry part. Ba, wet part. Ba. Ta, T sound, ta, T sound. Okay, forgive me and pardon me for that background rooster noise. Okay, tha, S sound. It's not my rooster, by the way, it's neighbors. It's not mine, it's neighbors. Okay, and I cannot argue with neighbors, because of that. Anyway, it's Pakistan, living in Pakistan. If you live in Pakistan, you have to pay price, okay, apart from your tax and all this money. Anyway, there are several types of money that you have to pay. So this is also you have to pay. This is something. Anyway, okay, tha, what I was saying about that. Yeah, S sound, tip tongue, roots of teeth, plus no whistle. Fine, make sure that whistle is not there, like sa. Okay, now we see the first letter, that is alif. I wanted to discuss it separate because it's a different shape. The next 3 letters is same shape. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so alif is A sound letter. Fine, when it has signs of its own.